So the one question I get the most is, how long does my hair have to be to use the BodyWaver? As you can see, these plates are 2 inches wide. So your hair has to be at least 3 to 4 inches to be able to use it. And I'm gonna show you on me. So some areas are shorter, but I do have some areas that are like 6 inches even, but I'll show you exactly how it works on short hair. So the first button on the side is the power button. I'm gonna hold that. That turns it on, right? The second button allows me to do the heat settings. So 320, 360, and 400. My hair is baby fine and color treated, so I'm gonna use it at 320. The top button is for the seconds. So there's 4 seconds, there's 6 seconds, and there's 8 seconds. Because my hair is really fine and color treated, I'm gonna go for the least, which is 4 seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna comb through that section. It's about 2 inches wide, about 1 inch thick. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair through, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of push so I don't get any creasing, keeping it flat to my head. 4 seconds beeped. There's my wave. Again, put it in. Just give it a little bit of a push. I like to bring it down since my hair is short. There's my wave. Now, as you see, because my hair is short, I'm not going all the way through the ends. I'm gonna just leave those flicky. All right, I have my 2-inch section. Because I wanna make sure I don't have the creasing in my really fine hair, when I press down the first time, I don't press quite as hard. It'll still beep for me in 4 seconds, and then on the ends I can press as much as I want. So I have a little less creasing at top. So in the back, I'm gonna start where I have at least 3 to 4 inches of hair. That's the height I'm gonna start at. I'm just gonna put those waves in back there too. And then on the top, I just like to do the very ends. A little bit of spray. Lots of texture. It's super fun just to try something new. Same haircut, totally different look.